Hey there guys, you want to learn how to build one of these Halo 3 assault rifles for yourself? Well, stay tuned because that's what we're building today. Alright, so quick disclaimer before we get into it. I did not design this myself. I purchased this file from the Galactic Armory. They do some pretty amazing work over there, so if you want to purchase this file for yourself or anything Halo or Star Wars related, I would recommend definitely checking them out. And also, when I printed this, I used 3 walls, 15% infill. I used the armory one PLA plus. Obviously, I printed it in gray. And it did a very, very nice job. I printed it on my P1P, so I believe it took about 65 hours to print every piece. So I will show you a quick time lapse of all that stuff, and then we can get to assembling this thing. So let's hop over to it and start that.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand mine. Oh.
Hey, so now that we finally got all our prints printed, all our dowels cut, got our glue and our tape ready, we're going to just quickly go ahead and dry fit this just to make sure that everything's going to line up, everything is going to look nice, nothing's going to be warped, and just make sure I didn't forget any components. So I'm going to throw a time lapse in here of me just doing a quick dry fit, and I'll get back to you. So right about now I start to realize that one of my cats actually stole one of my pieces.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Had a little bit of difficulty assembling it, but that's why we dry fit it first, just so we're not gluing everything together and then realize you put the wrong component somewhere else. The other thing I noticed when I was that I'm not too fond of is the fact that I can actually see the wooden dowels at the end of my barrel and my light. So I'm either going to cut them slightly shorter or just paint them black or something. I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet. I'll figure it out when I get there. But now that we can see that everything is going to fit and go together quite nicely, let's start gluing it together. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the back of the gun at the shoulder part and make my way up. I just use Gorilla Glue. I find it works very well, but there's a whole bunch of other adhesives or super glues you can use. I know some people, they prefer hot glue. It's everyone's own preference, right? So I'm just going to come over here. We're just going to give it a nice, healthy dollop. Now, the instructions say leave it for about 2 minutes to let it start to harden for its like maximum tackiness in a sense. So we're just going to glue that on, leave that for a sec, let that get more tacky, I guess. And we're going to come ahead and we're going to add some more glue here. Now I think what I'm going to do, just because it will be an extremely long and boring video of me just sitting here and talking, we're going to throw in a quick time lapse with a voiceover over top, I think. So let's cut to that. So I know I said I was going to do a voiceover for this time lapse, but I think let's just go with the music, just stick with the theme of the video. So enjoy, and I'll catch you after.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, you, baby, so I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. All right, so there we have it. Almost fully assembled Halo 3 Assault Rifle. Almost. Decided I was going to do this part separately. I'm going to do this part separately. I'm just going to let this sit for 24 hours like this, let the glue fully harden, and then we'll come through and we'll glue this on, and we'll go ahead and glue this onto here. So we will do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and glued the last couple components on off camera, but look how sick this rifle turned out. Look at all the detail that there is in this rifle, on the handle, all the little nuts. Like, I'm really happy with the way this rifle turned out, and I hope you do too. And there you have it, guys, a fully assembled Halo 3 Assault Rifle. And the detail on this is just immaculate. It's amazing. I love it. Even just printing it in just a solid gray,
it looks fantastic. Really happy with the way this project turned out, and it fits really nicely in my hands. It feels comfortable. It's not too heavy either, so if you're planning on taking something like this to a convention, it would work out perfect. So next time we will be tackling the Assault Rifle from Halo Infinite. We will be sanding and actually finishing that print so it looks like the rifle from the game. And if you want to see it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification to be notified anytime I post my videos. And thanks for watching. Later.